Aloha everyone, my name is Dylan with Manoa Chocolate, and today I want to answer a simple question: what is chocolate? And simply put, chocolate is a cacao seed or a cocoa seed and sugar. That's it. There's quite a process that goes into making chocolate, but the ingredients are very simple. It's a cacao seed and sugar. Now, something like dark chocolate, if we want to go into a little more detail, is 55% minimum cacao seeds and 45% sugar. So that we're kind of touching on percentage now, but anytime you see a percentage on a chocolate bar, the percentage represents the amount of cacao actually in it. I hope this answers any questions for you guys. See you next time. Aloha.